Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. So we are sorry we are late. We are a few minutes into time. I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. We'll start off with the Euro USD 1 hour. So disregard the horizontal, the vertical lines you're seeing on this chart. These ones, disregard them. You remember yesterday, the price was somewhere here. The price was somewhere here, and we said that while the price was there, this was a good place to look for a buy from. So we were saying that it was a buy because the price went up, broke above these two moving averages, and as we're forecasting, the price was somewhere here. So we suggested that you take a buy position, have your stop loss below this low here. If you took that buy, most definitely you could have been taken out by now. But when the price again broke below this point, you could have taken a sell position. Your stop loss above the high of this candle, and then you're supposed to be in money even as we're speaking now. So technically, this is a very good downtrend. This is a very good downtrend as it is right now. This is on the 1 hour chart. You can see our indicator showing us a sell. Let me remove this zigzag indicator first of all. So we have this, we have a very good downtrend, and then we have a level here. This is just a good horizontal level. It was used here as a support. There's a break below. The price came back, a resistance. We had a resistance. Then the price broke above. It went and broke below it. So as it is right now, we expect that the price needs to continue to the upper side, at least up to this point, so that we pick a sell position. So that's on the 1 hour chart. If you check 15 minutes time frame, we have a sell. We had a sell yesterday here. There is not much levels. Let's say this one looks like a good level. It was a support here the day before yesterday. We had a support. We had a support. There's a break below. There is a break above. The price went and broke below it. It is a resistance here. If the price comes back and touches this point, this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So we'll sell it there, have a stop loss above the high of this candle, and then you'll have our take profit fixed at this point. So this is 1.07690. We sell it, our stop loss, and then our first take profit is this one. So other than those, let's see if there are any good levels, any good shapes forming on this chart, even those that formed yesterday. We had that. And then we had that. This doesn't look like a very good shape. It's like I'm forcing it there, so it's not very good one. And then there is a minor converging wedge formation there, like that. And currently, as we're speaking now, this is a consolidation. There is this move to the upper side is actually consolidation. It may look like it's very small, but it represents a good example of consolidation. So as long as the price does not clearly break above these two lines, this is a good place to look for a sell from. We are expecting sellers to take full control, at least up to this point here. So the next instrument which we'll be looking at, I want us to look at sell it personally. I still expect price to continue to the upper side. So this is the first shape I'm seeing, is this, that the sellers needs to continue to push price to the lower side. We have a very good support there. So we have there, and then you have another one there. So this is just a good shape. You can see it was used here as a resistance. It was used here as a resistance. There is a break above. The price came back. As we're speaking now, the price is currently touching it. So as long as the price does not clearly break below this point, this will be a good place to look for a buy from, at least up to this point here. So expect buyers to push price upwards up to these two moving averages. If the price breaks above it, then that will mean we're now continuing to the upper side. But if the price does not break above these two lines, this will be a good place to look for a sell from. We are expecting sellers to continue to push price down, at least back up to this point here. So the other shape is this one. That one. We have another one. There. And then we have another one there. Then we have another one there. And then we have another one there. So those are some of the few areas we could have focused on in the past. We are still waiting for some sell. We are still waiting to see price give us clear signals, then we'll draw others in the future. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you. Sorry, we'll meet again on Monday at the same time.